Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and in today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Athleta. So let me take you to their website, which is athleta.gap.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Athleta is a performance and lifestyle brand offering women's activewear, leisure, and wellness apparel. The website focuses on comfort, sustainability, and inclusive sizing for movement training and everyday wear. With Aleta, you can shop stylish activewear designed for real life. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to buy something for yourself or for anyone, go ahead and do that. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Atleta. Possible? Of course, why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Atleta, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you'll end up receiving commission. So the affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program of Atleta, and to the consumers of which country can they promote in order to receive commission. I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country as an affiliate or the country of your consumer, you can promote Atleta to anywhere around the globe so long as they provide the services to the consumer of that country. You would still end up receiving commission based on the sale you bring to them. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called flexoffers.com. Now, what is Flex Offers and what does that have to do with Atleta? Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? The work is a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the affiliate marketing network of the given choices. So in our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Atleta, you must join Flex Offers as an affiliate. Now that's free, so don't you worry about it as well. How do you create an account with Flex Offers? For that, you can click on Get Started. It will take you to this page. Over here within Publisher Affiliate, you have to click on Sign Up. Now, Flex Offers calls affiliates as publishers and brands or merchants as advertisers, so don't get confused. Once you click on Sign Up, it will take you to this page. Over here, you can complete all these steps to get yourself a free affiliate account of Flex Offers. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved when doing the sign up with any affiliate marketing network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Flex Offers affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instruction from the video, and get yourself an account with Flex Offers. Once you have an account with them, simply hover over login, click on publisher login from their website, then it will take you to something called affiliate or rather publisher dashboard. Now this is a place where you would be able to find different affiliate program, the affiliate program of different brands, but the focus of our video is Atleta only. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, look at the left hand side menu bar. From there, click on advertisers, click on advertiser search. It will take you to this page. Once here, you can scroll down till the advertiser search section, and within advertiser name, you can search for Atleta. So I'm gonna go with Atleta and Atleta Canada. Once you've selected the name, you can click on search. It will search for both the affiliate program and you would be able to see details in here. So let's say you want to look at the Atleta one, you can click on Atleta. Otherwise, you can also click on Atleta Canada. So I'm going to go with Atleta Canada since they provide 5% of the commission. And you will see the payout description in here. The payout is 5% of online sales. Restriction applies. So to have more details, you can simply click on view program terms. And over here, you would say that for these categories they provide 0% commission, otherwise they provide 5% commission. And to read terms and condition, you can click on show and over here and show you read it carefully and you must abide by it. So this is how much commission you could earn. If you join Atleta, you could earn up to 1.6% commission, and if you join Atleta Canada, then you may earn up to 5% commission. I would rather go with the Atleta Canada one. And then you can see other details as well. There is a description, and let's say you want to apply to the affiliate program, you can simply select your traffic source from here from the right hand side and then click on apply with selected. Over here in the overlay window, you can click on yes, I agree to the terms and condition, ensure you have read the terms and condition, and then click on apply to the program. When you do that, your application to the affiliate program team of Atlanta will go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks' time. Once you've been approved, you'll be notified via an email, and once you have received the email, you can again come to advertiser search, and within advertiser, either search by the name Athleta Canada, or you can also search by application status as approved, followed by click on search. When you do that, you would be able to see all your approved brands, including Athleta or Athleta Canada. Once you've been approved, then what? Then you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from the website. Let's say you want to create a tracking link for all dresses and jumpsuits. Can you promote it directly? No, you can't. You can simply copy this link and you have to come to the home page of Flex Offers. Once here, scroll down until you see Quick Link Generator section. And assuming you have been approved by Athleta, within Advertiser, you can search for Athleta, you can select the name. Just for the demo purpose, I'm selecting American Eagle Outfitters, but in your case, you can select Athleta, assuming you've been approved. Then select your traffic source. I'm going with my YouTube channel, and then put your landing link in here. The link that you want to convert to tracking link, followed by click on generate. In my case, it won't work because I'm trying to create a tracking link of Athleta by selecting American Eagle Outfitters. But assuming you're selecting the Athleta from here and the link matches accordingly, your tracking link would be created. Now, let's say you don't want to create your own tracking link, but rather you want to use the existing ones. For that, again, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar. From here, click on links and click on link search. When you do that, it will take you to the section. Over here, you can select the traffic source. Within advertiser search, again, search for Athleta, select, but just for the demo purpose, I've selected American Eagle Outfitter. And then content type, either choose banner links, text link, or widget. Just for the demo, I'm going with the banner. And then click on search. When you do that, it will search for the banner links within Athleta, assuming you have selected Athleta, and you would be able to see them in here. Let's say you want to promote the logo of Athleta, and assuming this is a logo of Athleta, you can click on view link, and you will have an option to copy the link entirely. You can get HTML link code, which you can embed from the backend of your website, or you can also download the image. All right, so this is how either you can create a tracking link or you can use the existing ones. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter. Whatever kind of website you have, so long as you have been approved by a letter for the website, you can promote them maybe on homepage, maybe on a category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic. Second way is blog. Blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog about different products available on Atlanta and put your tracking link just for the product in your blog post. So this way, readers will read it, they'll click on the link, and they'll like it, they buy it, you get commission. Third way is social media. Social media could be great here because it could help you influence people through videos, reels, posts, and you can put your tracking link either in the description or comment. It could work in your favor. Fourth way is women's lifestyle website. Assuming you are an affiliate having this kind of website, I think it's best suited. People come to these kind of websites to learn about women's lifestyle. For example, you're a woman and you will be exploring such website to understand how best suited lifestyle you could have and what kind of outfit you want to have. So having a website like this, you could maybe have Atlanta feature on your website, maybe on the homepage, maybe a category page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, that is women. So these are some of the ways you can promote Atlanta. Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the Flexoffers affiliate or other publisher dashboard. Once again, on the homepage, you will be able to see some quick stats and to have better details. You can click on the left-hand side menu bar within reports, go to performance, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can apply different filters and you would be able to see the details here accordingly. And if you look at the left-hand side menu bar, once again, there's transaction details, which will help you see transaction-related details. And there's account balance and there's a payment status. You can click on payment status to see the status of the payment. And to see the account balance, you can click on account balance, which will take you to this section. Over here, you can select your traffic source and click on view balance. You should be able to see your accumulated commission, the balance occurs. And within payment history, you would be able to see all your past payment history. And to update your payment method, you must click on this drop down menu from the top right hand side just beside your ID. From here, click on payment settings, which will then take you to this page, and then you have to authenticate using two-factor authentication. After authenticating, you can update your address within the first step of address, and then you can come to the second step of payment method. You will have multiple payment options to choose from. You can either go with local bank transfer or wire transfer. In doing so, you have to give your banking details. Then you can also go with check if you prefer to get the commission via check. The preferred option, I say, is PayPal. Select PayPal and give your PayPal details to receive commission via PayPal. You also have an option to go with whole payment. And let's say you have updated your payment method, simply click on next. Also select your tax forms, next, and mark it done. So once you've updated your payment method, you can expect to receive commission from flex offers that you must have accumulated by bringing sales to Athleta. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Athleta. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helps you in learning all about the affiliate program of Athleta. And as an affiliate, if you want to earn better and learn better, you want to grow in your affiliate marketing journey, there are some amazing resources that I have created just for you. There are free resources and as well as the exclusive resources. You'll find the details in the video description. Click on any of those resources, get yourself those resources, and all the best in your affiliate marketing journey. Apart from it, if you got any other question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.